Modern airplanes are marvels of engineering, designed with precision and innovation. These incredible machines are built to withstand extreme conditions, from turbulent weather to high altitudes. They soar through the air, connecting people and places across the globe, making the world feel smaller and more accessible. However, even the mightiest aircraft have a lifespan, and their time in the skies is not infinite. After years of service, airplanes reach a point where flying is no longer feasible, and they must be grounded. Factors like metal fatigue, outdated technology, and economic considerations contribute to their retirement, making continued operation impractical. When an airplane reaches the end of its operational life, it embarks on a new journey, one that is equally important. This journey often leads to a fascinating destination, an aircraft boneyard where the stories of these planes continue. These vast storage and dismantling facilities serve as the final resting place for many aircraft, preserving their legacy. Here they are either carefully preserved for potential future use or systematically dismantled for parts and materials, ensuring nothing goes to waste. The journey of an airplane after retirement is a fascinating blend of engineering, economics, and environmental consciousness, highlighting the full life cycle of these incredible machines. The decision to retire an airplane is not taken lightly. Airlines and other aircraft operators consider several factors. Age, maintenance costs, and fuel efficiency play a significant role. Technological advancements also contribute to an airplane's retirement. As newer, more efficient models emerge, older planes become obsolete. Once the decision is made, the airplane makes its final flight. This often involves flying to a designated storage or retirement facility. These facilities are typically located in dry desert regions. The arid climate helps preserve the aircraft's structure by minimizing corrosion. Upon arrival, the airplane undergoes a decommissioning process. This involves draining fuel and other fluids, removing hazardous materials, and preparing the aircraft for long-term storage or dismantling. Aircraft boneyards, also known as aircraft graveyards, are a fascinating testament to the aviation industry's constant evolution. These sites are where the past meets the present, showcasing the history and progress of aviation technology. These vast expanses of land serve as temporary or permanent homes to thousands of retired aircraft. Each plane here has a story, a journey that has come to an end or is simply on pause. The dry desert air and minimal rainfall in these locations create an environment that slows down the corrosion process, making them ideal for aircraft preservation. This unique climate ensures that these mechanical giants remain intact for years, if not decades. The primary purpose of an aircraft boneyard is threefold, each function playing a crucial role in the life cycle of an aircraft. Firstly, they provide a storage space for aircraft that are temporarily out of service due to market fluctuations or awaiting sale or lease. This allows airlines to manage their fleets efficiently without incurring unnecessary costs. Secondly, they act as a valuable source of spare parts for other aircraft still in operation. These parts can be salvaged and reused, ensuring that other planes can continue to fly safely and economically. Finally, for aircraft that have reached the end of their life cycle, boneyards serve as dismantling sites where valuable materials are salvaged and recycled. This process not only helps in reducing waste, but also contributes to the sustainability of the aviation industry. When an aircraft arrives at a boneyard for scrapping, it undergoes a meticulous dismantling process. Skilled technicians work carefully to remove valuable components. Engines, avionics, landing gear, and other parts are salvaged. These parts are often in high demand and can be refurbished and reused in other aircraft. This practice not only reduces waste, but also provides cost-effective solutions for airlines and maintenance companies. The remaining airframe, stripped of its valuable parts, is then broken down into smaller, manageable pieces. The metal is sorted and recycled, reducing the need for new materials. The process of scrapping an aircraft is a complex and labor-intensive undertaking. It requires specialized knowledge and adherence to strict environmental regulations to ensure the safe and responsible disposal of hazardous materials. Section 5. Treasure trove of parts recycling and reusing aircraft components. Aircraft recycling is, an essential aspect of the aviation industry's commitment to sustainability. The materials used in aircraft construction, such as aluminum, titanium, and composite materials, are highly valuable. Recycling these materials reduces the environmental impact of mining and manufacturing new resources. The recycling process for aircraft components is highly specialized. Companies involved in aircraft recycling have the expertise and equipment to safely extract and process various materials. These materials are then sold to manufacturers in different industries, giving them a second life in new products. The recycling and reuse of aircraft parts not only benefit the environment, but also create economic opportunities and support a circular economy. Section 6 are global parking spots for retired wings, major aircraft boneyards. These vast resting places for aircraft are more than just graveyards. They are repositories of aviation history and technology. Aircraft boneyards are strategically located around the world, typically in arid regions with vast open spaces. The dry climate helps to preserve the aircraft, preventing corrosion and deterioration over time. Some of the largest and most well-known boneyards include the 309th Aerospace Maintenance and Regeneration Group, AMARG, in Tucson, Arizona, also known as the Boneyard. This facility spans over 2,600 acres and is a sight to behold. This facility is managed by the United States Air Force and houses thousands of retired military and civilian aircraft. It serves as a storage, maintenance, and parts reclamation center. Another notable boneyard is the Mojave Air and Spaceport in California. This site is not just a resting place for aircraft, but also a bustling hub of aerospace activity. This facility is home to a mix of commercial, military, and experimental aircraft. It is a unique blend of the old and the new, where retired jets sit alongside cutting-edge aerospace projects. It is also a hub for aerospace innovation and testing. Engineers and scientists work tirelessly to push the boundaries of what is possible in aviation. Other major aircraft boneyards can be found in Teruel, Spain, Alice Springs, Australia, and Tarbes, France. Each of these locations has its own unique characteristics and plays a vital role in the aviation industry. These facilities play a crucial role in the global aviation ecosystem. They provide storage, maintenance, and recycling services, ensuring that valuable materials and parts are reused and repurposed. Section 7, from runway to living room, unique repurposing projects. The ingenuity of entrepreneurs and artists has led to some truly remarkable repurposing projects using old airplane parts. Retired aircraft, once soaring through the skies, are finding new life as unique and innovative structures on the ground. One example is the transformation of a retired Boeing 747 into a luxurious hotel suite in the Netherlands. The aircraft's fuselage now houses a spacious living area, a fully equipped kitchen, and a panoramic cockpit suite offering stunning views of the airport runway. Another inspiring project involves converting aircraft seats into stylish and comfortable furniture. From office chairs to home theater seating, these repurposed seats add a touch of aviation history to any space. Section 8. The environmental impact: reducing, reusing, and recycling. The environmental benefits of aircraft recycling and repurposing are significant. By extending the life cycle of aircraft materials, we reduce the demand for new resources, which often come with high environmental costs. Mining, processing, and manufacturing raw materials generate greenhouse gas emissions and contribute to pollution. Furthermore, recycling aircraft parts helps conserve valuable landfill space. By diverting aircraft materials from landfills, we reduce the environmental hazards associated with waste disposal. The aviation industry's commitment to sustainability through recycling and repurposing initiatives is crucial for minimizing its ecological footprint. Section 9. A second life for aviation giants. The journey of an airplane doesn't always end at the scrapyard. While some aircraft are dismantled for their valuable parts, others are given a second life through innovative repurposing projects. Entrepreneurs and visionaries around the world are finding creative ways to transform these retired aviation giants into unique and functional spaces. From restaurants and hotels to museums and educational centers, the possibilities for repurposing aircraft are seemingly endless. These projects not only preserve a piece of aviation history, but also demonstrate the potential for a sustainable and creative reuse of resources. Section 10. Conclusion: the circle of aviation life. The journey of an airplane from its maiden flight to its final resting place is a testament to human ingenuity and the ever-evolving nature of technology. While the sight of these majestic machines grounded in a boneyard may evoke a sense of nostalgia, it also highlights the importance of sustainability in the aviation industry. Through responsible recycling, repurposing, and resource management, we can minimize the environmental impact of aviation and ensure that the materials used in these incredible machines continue to serve a purpose even after their flying days are over. The circle of aviation life continues, reminding us that even in retirement, these giants of the sky have much to offer.